Hi, welcome to another vlog. I'm excited to bring you friends along to hang out with me for a weekend in Tokyo. Today's adventure, we are going to explore Shibuya and then Ginza. Let's go. I've seen this katsu place both on Instagram and TikTok, and they are known for their self-grilled katsu meat. Their Shibuya location has a notoriously long wait, but luckily this restaurant is a chain, and you can get seated in a reasonable amount of time in other locations such as Akihabara or Asakusa. But if you visit Japan, waiting in long lines is a very typical experience. I've been to Shibuya Sky before during the nighttime, but I've always wanted to go during sunset. Those are very popular hours for the New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. People tend to reserve their tickets far in advance to see the sunset or sunrise. It's such a cute spot to take your friends or family. We love pointing out places that we visited or orienting ourselves to places adjacent to each other. It's also a popular photo spot. Shibuya Sky has a viewing deck that is both outdoors and indoors, with a mini bar and lounge for refreshments. After eating poke at Ginza, we pretty much walked around and shopped. I have a bunch of random clips, so cue the montage.